had somebody ask me if this thermal printer can print on regular computer paper, and I thought I would just show you how that works so you can just see the entire process from the beginning. This thermal printer has an app that comes with it. It's kind of looks like a little mushroom, and I already uploaded my document to print, and this is just some morning work for my daughter. And I'm going to print this on thermal paper, and then I'm going to print it the exact same way on computer paper just so you can see what it looks like and if it actually prints on computer paper or not. First, we'll do the thermal printer. This is a thermal printer that came with this. So I'm going to load that up, and I've already pressed start over here. And you heard that it made a little noise, and that's just for it to grab it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my work that I want. I'm going to press print. I'm going to press print here. And now we're just going to watch it print this. Okay, now this is good. You saw this. It didn't actually print anything. This is something that you should keep in mind. This is the side that you want to keep up, and it actually says this side should face up. So it tells you what side to put the paper in. I should have put it this way, but I put it this way, and that's why you didn't see it print on the thermal paper. So let's do that again with it printed on the right side. Okay, so we're going to go and do the exact same thing, where we're going to press print here. And it's printing. Let's see how it comes out now. Okay, and now you can see that it actually did exactly the same print that I had here. Now this paper, where it says this side should be up, has markers on it as well, and that protects also the paper. So this is how it prints on a thermal paper. Now we're going to test it on a computer paper, and now obviously there's no way to tell which side should go up, but we're going to do it anyway. So it's in, it's fed it, and I'm just going to press print down here. So while it still fed through and made it seem like it was printing, it actually didn't print anything. And there is a reason for this. Thermal printers can only work with thermal papers, and that's because the principle behind thermal printing technology involves a printing head heating thermal transfer paper with chemicals. The normal paper doesn't have the chemicals that will show the texture images, and that's why they don't show on this one. But they do show on this one. Now, this paper is slightly thinner, but not so much where it'll rip apart. I hope that helps give a better understanding of this printer. Either way, this is so useful to have wherever you go, print anything just from your iPad or your phone or desktop. It's so small and compact, and you guys already know that I love the case that it comes with. I love holding it. It can fit anywhere. I love bringing it with me anywhere I go, especially when I travel, because you just never know when you're going to need a printer.